Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the 10 most dazzling cosmic phenomena you need to know about. These incredible events showcase the breathtaking beauty and complexity of our universe. So, buckle up and join us as we journey through the cosmos and discover its wonders. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the mesmerizing phenomenon of pulsars. Pulsars are highly magnetized, rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation. This radiation can be observed only when the beam of emission points toward Earth, much like a lighthouse. Pulsars were first discovered in 1967, and their precise and regular pulses of radiation make them some of the most captivating celestial objects in the universe.
A pulsar is a rapidly spinning neutron star, which is the small, incredibly dense remnant of a much more massive star. A teaspoon of matter from a neutron star weighs as much as Mount Everest, and a neutron star is so compact that a ball about 15 miles across contains more matter than our Sun. Neutron stars spin between 7 and 40,000 times a minute and form with incredibly strong magnetic fields. Rapid spin and intense magnetic fields drive powerful beams of electromagnetic radiation, including gamma rays. As the pulsar rotates, these beams sweep the sky like a lighthouse. To a distant observer, the pulsar appears to blink on and off. Pulsars slow down as they age, but some of the oldest pulsars spin hundreds of times a second. Each of these millisecond pulsars orbits a normal star. Over time, the impact of gas pulled from the normal star has spun the pulsar up to incredible speeds. This accretion may be the cause of their weaker magnetic fields. Despite this, these pulsars also emit gamma rays.
At number 9, we delve into the breathtaking beauty of supernovae. Supernovae are the spectacular explosions that occur when massive stars reach the end of their lives. These cosmic fireworks briefly outshine entire galaxies and release enormous amounts of energy. Supernovae play a crucial role in the universe, as they are responsible for creating and dispersing many of the elements found throughout the cosmos.
Every second, around 50 stars in the universe explode. These explosions are known as supernovae and mark the end of a giant star's life.
The inside of the star starts to collapse in on itself, starts to be squeezed into a very small dense object we call a neutron star, and then explodes.
This can have lasting effects. Supernovae with stars more than 10 times the size of our Sun are so massive they can leave behind black holes. But there's a second type of supernova involving old dense stars known as white dwarfs.
And if it gets close to another star, it can use its gravity as a giant vacuum cleaner and suck off the atmosphere of the second star, kind of like a zombie eating it. And then if it eats too much, it explodes as what we call a thermonuclear supernova. So essentially a giant big bomb.
In our Milky Way, a supernova may occur just once a century, so astronomers have turned their telescopes beyond to observe other galaxies like our own, capturing thousands of supernovae this year alone. That's no mean feat. It can take only minutes for a shockwave to travel through the star, causing it to ignite and detonate. In 2017, astronomers used the Kepler Space Telescope to witness these early moments for the first time.
Normally, from the ground, we can't monitor continuously because we have our day and night, we have bad weather. By having a telescope, though, in space that takes an image every few minutes, you're able to make sure that you're not going to miss these very crucial moments.
That discovery could paint a more complete picture of what stars are made of and how they explode, bringing us closer to understanding the rise and fall of these celestial bodies.
Coming in at number 8, we have the mysterious and beautiful cosmic phenomenon of nebulae. Nebulae are vast clouds of gas and dust in space, often spanning several light-years across. They come in various shapes and colors, resulting from the different elements and processes at work within them. Nebulae are the birthplaces of stars, and their intricate beauty has captured the imagination of stargazers for centuries. At number 7, we have the fascinating spectacle of auroras. Auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, are natural light displays in the polar regions, caused by charged particles from the solar wind interacting with Earth's magnetic field. These dazzling and colorful light shows can also be found on other planets in our solar system, like Jupiter and Saturn, making them a truly universal phenomenon.
The Sun is a beautifully magnetically driven star, but we can't actually see magnetic field lines. They're essentially invisible, and so we have to turn to models in order for us to see the global magnetic structure of the Sun. What we're looking at here is one such model, and the color coding represents what we call open magnetic field lines, which means that they extend from within the Sun all the way out to really, really far out in space. The green and the purple have a north and a south polarity. The white lines are closed magnetic field lines, so they come out from the surface of the Sun and then they loop around and close near the solar surface. Now you can see how beautifully dynamic the Sun is as well. Magnetic field lines interact with each other. They cause big explosions to occur on the Sun, and that's one reason it's extremely important to study the magnetic structure of the Sun, especially on a global scale. And again, models are the one way we can do this because they allow us to model where the field lines are, how they're going to interact with each other when the Sun rotates, and then how that causes solar storms like coronal mass ejections and solar flares. Sometimes the Sun is quiet, sometimes the magnetic field lines aren't doing a whole lot, but other times you see these bright regions on the Sun where you have closed loops, and that's where activity can occur, where the flares can occur. So everything is really magnetically connected.
Number 6 on our list is the enchanting beauty of gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing is a phenomenon that occurs when the gravitational field of a massive object, like a galaxy or a galaxy cluster, bends the path of light from a more distant object. This effect can create stunning cosmic mirages, where the background object appears distorted or multiplied. Gravitational lensing also provides valuable insights into the distribution of dark matter in the universe. At number 5, we have the awe-inspiring cosmic ballet of colliding galaxies. Galaxies, vast collections of stars, gas, and dust, are not static entities. They move through space and, on occasion, collide with one another. These cosmic collisions, which can take millions of years to unfold, result in stunning displays of celestial fireworks and can trigger intense bursts of star formation.
But what exactly happens when two big galaxies collide? Well, that is precisely what Hubble is showing us in these new images, where it has captured some of these merger events in the act. These cosmic collisions, beautifully portrayed in the new Hubble images, are not as swift and ferocious as we might think. They are not like collisions between everyday objects. They are slow, stately affairs that may take hundreds of millions of years to complete. In this series of images, snapshots of different pairs of interacting galaxies are seen, representing the different stages in this process. A gradual waltz of stars and gas choreographed by gravity. Despite taking hundreds of millions of years to eventually emerge, The two galaxies of a pair actually approach each other at very high velocities, up to 1,000,000 kilometers per hour or so. Also, because the distances between individual stars are so large, it is actually very rare for two stars to hit each other. The hundreds of millions of stars in each of the galaxies all move individually, following the pull of gravity from all the other stars and the dark matter in the galaxies. These interwoven tidal forces can produce the most intricate and varied effects as the two galaxies pass each other and eventually merge.
Coming in at number 4, we have the breathtaking beauty of solar eclipses. Solar eclipses occur when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, temporarily blocking the Sun's light and casting a shadow on Earth's surface. These rare and spectacular events have fascinated humans for millennia and provide a unique opportunity to observe the Sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona. At number 3, we have the captivating dance of binary stars. Binary stars are pairs of stars that orbit a common center of mass, bound together by gravity. These celestial duos come in various forms, from closely orbiting pairs to those separated by vast distances. Some binary systems even produce spectacular phenomena, such as novae or X-ray emissions, making them a captivating subject for astronomers. Number 2 on our list is the magnificent display of meteor showers. Meteor showers are celestial events during which numerous meteors, or shooting stars, appear to radiate from a single point in the night sky. These awe-inspiring displays are caused by the Earth passing through the debris left behind by comets or asteroids. Meteor showers have been observed for thousands of years and continue to captivate stargazers around the world. And finally, the #1 most dazzling cosmic phenomenon you need to know about is the awe-inspiring spectacle of the cosmic web. The cosmic web is the vast, interconnected network of galaxies that stretches across the universe. Made up of countless galaxies and galaxy clusters, this mind-boggling structure is held together by dark matter, forming an intricate pattern that resembles a cosmic spiderweb. The sheer scale and complexity of the cosmic web is a testament to the incredible beauty and power of the cosmos. Studying this immense network provides a glimpse into the underlying structure of the universe and the vastness of space that surrounds us.
In the direction of the constellation Perseus, we find the Perseus cluster of galaxies. NGC 1275, in its center, is one of the closest giant elliptical galaxies. Its most spectacular feature is the lacy filigree of gaseous filaments reaching out beyond the galaxy into the multi-million degree X-ray emitting gas that pervades the cluster. This is an active galaxy, hosting a supermassive black hole at its core, which blows bubbles of material into the surrounding cluster gas. Exploiting Hubble's view, a team of astronomers led by Andy Fabian from the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom have for the first time resolved individual threads of gas which make up the filaments.
And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most dazzling cosmic phenomena you need to know about. Which phenomenon captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the 10 most dazzling cosmic phenomena. Our universe is truly a vast and awe-inspiring place, filled with wonders that continue to captivate and amaze us. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming cosmic adventures. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders, just waiting to be discovered. So, until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop reaching for the stars.